children, good morning. How are you? I think all are fine. So children, don't come outside. Stay home, stay safe. I think you all have you enjoyed the holidays. Now it's time to start our studies. Now I am here to start our math chapter. Chapter number 1, more on large numbers. So more on large numbers. So before going to the chapter, we must and should we have to learn that what is meant by a place value and what is meant by a face value. So what is meant by place value, what is meant by a face value, we don't know. So before that, we have two types of systems. One is Indian system and an international system. We have two types of number systems. One is Indian system. And second one is international system. So Indian system, we can see that we will use rupees and everything we will use. So international system, so dollars we can see, no, that one is the international system. So what is the difference between the Indian system and the international system? So first one, Indian system. Let us see the place value chart of an Indian system. So see here, this is the place value chart of an Indian system. Indian system has 4 periods. How many periods? 4 periods. What are the periods? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period, and crores period. So Indian system has how many periods? 4 periods. How many periods, Nana? 4. Now these periods are again divided into a place values. What are they? So ones period is divided into 3 place values. What are the place values? See here, ones, tens, hundreds. And thousands period is divided into again 2 thousands and 10,000s. And lakhs period is again divided into 2, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. And crores period is divided into again 2 crores and 10 crores. So now see here, we have 4 periods. How many periods we have? 4 periods, and each period is again divided into some place values. What are the place values? See here, this period, ones period is divided into how many place values? 3 place values. What are the 3 place values? Ones, tens and hundreds. And thousands period is divided into 2 place values. What are the 2 place values? Thousands and 10,000s. And lakhs period is divided into 2 again. So that are lakhs and 10 lakhs. And crores period is divided into crores and 10 crores. So total now, counting how many place values are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many place values? 9 place values. So now tell me, Indian system has 4 periods and 9 place values. Indian system has how many periods? 4 periods and 9 place values. Now suppose if I want to write a number in this. So for example, I want to write 9643928764. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I want to write this number in this place value system. So now see here, we have to start from this ones place. What is this ones place number? 6. So always start the place value chart from, always you have to start from right to left. Now what is the last right number? 6. Next 7. Next 8. Next 2. Next 9. And 3, 4, 6 and 9. So we have written the numbers here. Now how to read this number? We don't know how to read this number. Can we read like 9643928776? Can we read like that? No, it is not the correct way. Now how to read this? How to read this one? So 96, what is this 96? 96. What is the period here? Crores. So 96 crores. How to read? 96 crores. So with the period we have to read. So 96 crores. Now 43 lakhs 92,876. So depends upon the place value system also, only we are reading the number. So see here 96, once again see Nana. So we have to read the number and the period. Read the number and then the period. Now read the number now. 96. What is the period? Crores. 96 crores 43 lakhs and 92,876. Why are reading 3 numbers at a time? Because this period is divided into how many place values? 3 place values. That's why we are reading the number like this. So 876. Have you understood now? Now, so how to write the number? By using the commas. How to place the commas here? So see here 96 crores 43 lakhs 92,876. So now the first period is divided into how many place values? 3 place values. So 3 numbers after we have to place the comma. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers after we have to place the comma. And the second period, what is the second period? Thousands period. Thousands period is divided into how many place values? 2. So after that 2 numbers you have to place the comma. And the next one, lakhs period is divided into 2 place values again. So 2 numbers after you have to place the comma. And the last one is the crores period. So now have you understood how to place the commas also? So first period is divided into 3 place values, so that's why we are placing the comma after the 3 numbers. And the second period is divided into 2 place values, we are placing the comma after the 2 numbers. And the third period is again divided into 2 place values, 2 numbers after we have to place the comma. Have you understood? So this is the children. After now we learn about the Indian system. So from this only we are going to learn how to write the place value of each number. So now see here. So I have written this number. I want the place value of any one of the number from this. So now see here, I want the place value of this 4. I want this place value of this 4. How to write the place value? What is meant by a place value? What is meant by a face value? So face value is nothing but the number itself is the face value. Face value is nothing but the number itself is the face value. That means, see here, the face value of 9 is 9 only. The face value of 6, 6. The face value of 4, 4. The face value of 3, 3. And the face value of 8, 8. So face value is nothing but the number itself is the face value. Now coming to the place value. Coming to the place value, see here, what is meant by a place value? How will you write a place value? Place value is equals to face value into position of the number. So that means here the product of the face value, the product of the face value into the position of the number. So see here, what is the face value? I want the place value of 4, right? What is the face value of 4? Is 4 only. Into position. What is the position? See here, what is the 4 position here? What is the place value? 10 lakhs. So 4 into 10 lakhs. So 4 into 10 lakhs is 40 lakhs is the place value of 4. Once again, the place value is the product of a face value into position of the given number. So once again, see, if I want the place value of 9. So I said, no, what is the place value of the formula? What is the place value formula? Place value into position of the number. Now, what is the face value of 9? What is the face value? The number itself, that is 9 only. Into position of the number. What is the position? It is in which place? 10,000 place. So 9 into 10,000 is 90,000. Okay, 9 into 10,000 is 90,000. Now, have you understood about the place value and the face value? Now, coming to the how to write expanded form in the Indian system. How to write expanded form in the Indian system. The number can be written as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. That is called an expanded form. If I want to write expanded form for this number 90, I want to write the expanded form for this number. First write the place values. You know already the place values. The area system has how many periods? 4 periods and 9 place values. What are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. Now expand this number. So now 9 into how many? How many lakhs? 10 lakhs. 9 into 10 lakhs plus 7 into 1 lakh plus 6 into how many thousands? 10,000 plus now 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. This is the first step. And the second step, product this one. 9 into 10 lakhs is 90 lakhs plus 7 lakhs plus 6 into 10,000 is 60,000 plus 4 into 100 is 400. Sorry, here 3 into 1000 I forgot. So 3 into 1000. So 3 into 1000 is 3000. So 4 into 100 is 400 plus 5 into 10 is 50. 6 into 1 is 6. So now have you understood how to write the expanded form? First, in these 2 steps you have to write. Must and should you have to write these two steps. See, first one, whenever any number is given, we have to write the expanded form means. So first write down the place values on that. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. For example, in any place, if the number is not given, 0 is given. So what you have to do? 0 into any number is 0 only. Okay. So that is 0 into 10,000 is equals to 0. Okay. In that place, where is the 10,000s place? Here. So 0 into 10,000 is, what you will write? 0. Okay, have you understood, children, how to write the expanded form for any number? If first step was, what you have to do is first you have to write the place values on that number. On that number, if you write, then multiply that one, the place value into the position of the number. The place value is 9. 9 into what is the position? 10 lakhs. 9 into 10 lakhs plus 7 into lakhs plus 0 into 10,000 plus 3 into 1000 plus 4 into 100 plus 5 into 10. 6 into 1. So in this way we will write the expanded form. Now suppose for example, if they given expanded form, you want to write the number. So they have given like this. They have given in the expanded form. So see here. They have given like this. So you want to write the numeral for this. That means number. So see here, this is which place, Nana? Ones place. And this one is tens. And this one is hundreds. See here, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. This is 10,000s. Now ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So now write here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So the biggest place value is 10 lakhs. Up to 10 lakhs I have written. Now in the ones place, what is the number? 4. In the tens place, what is the number? 1. In the hundreds place, what you have to write? 5. So don't write like this. No, 500, 10, 4. This is not the correct way, because we are writing a number not in the expanded form. We are writing in the short form. Okay, we are writing in the short form. So we have to write only these numerals. So first, ones place, what is the number? 4. The tens, how many tens? 110. How many hundreds? 5 hundreds. How many thousands? Thousands are there here. This is the place value of 10,000. Thousands are there? Not there. So 0. So how many 10,000s are there? So 7 10,000s are there. Now how many lakhs are there? 6 lakhs. So how many 10 lakhs are there? How many 10 lakhs? 9 10 lakhs are there. So now what is the number? 96 lakhs 70,514. So in this way you have to write the short form. So have you understood how to expand a number? How to write in the short form? If they given in the expanded form, you have to write in the short form like this. So must and should, if you write the place values, then only easily you can write the number. If you did not write the place values, you will get confused. So that's why first write the place values on the top of these numbers. So then we can write like this. Okay. So easily you can write the number. In the expanded form also same thing. So first face value into the position of the number. What is the position? 9 into 10 lakhs. Like that. So have you understood expanded form and the short form? Okay. In the next class we are going to learn how to compare the numbers. Children, now your home task is, up to now we learn how to write Indian system. So if I given a number, you have to write in the Indian system. So how to learn how to write in the place value chart of Indian system you learned. So the next one, expanded form you learned. Next, short form, how to write the short form you learned. Next, what is meant by place value you learned, and what is meant by face value also we completed. So on that only I am going to give home task for you. So see here, I will give 5 questions for you. You have to complete that 5 questions, and I will check again, and I will ask in the Zoom meeting in the evening session. So now be ready for the homework. So do it properly. So if you have any doubt, once again see my video. So just reverse it and check my video. Once again listen, clearly understood, and you can do the homework easily. So now I am giving how many questions? 5 questions. Now see here, home task. Today's home task, see first question. Place the number place the given number in Indian place value chart What is the number? 94678653. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. And the second question, write the expanded form for 68976354. And the third one, write short form for 10 lakhs plus 7 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 5,000 plus 4. And the fourth question, write the place value and face value for underlying digit. So 7 6 9 4 8. So I have to write face value and place value for 6. And the second question, 6 3 9 4 8 9. I have to write the place value for 4 here. And the last question. So 4 questions enough, Nana. So do these 4 questions. See the first one. I will explain each and every problem. I will explain. After that you can. See here, place the given number in the Indian place value chart. Place the given number in which place value chart? Indian place value chart. I have already said what is meant by Indian place value chart. How many periods are there for Indian place value chart? 4 periods. How many periods? 4 periods. How many place values? 9 place values. What are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores and 10 crores. That one I said no, that table you have to draw. You have to must and should you have to draw the table and you have to insert this number in the appropriate places. So you know from which place you have to start, from right side or from the left side. Like right side onwards you have to start. So start from here. So write the numbers 1, 3, 5 in the appropriate place values. Okay. So you have to must and should you have to what you have to draw. You have to draw the chart. Then only you have to place that number in that chart. That is the first question completed. Second one, write the expanded form for 6897 6354. So first what I said while I am saying the expanded form, what I said. So first you have to write the place values on this number like ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores. So 2 steps I said in the expanded form. What are the 2 steps? So 6 into what is the period, that one you have to write, and 8 into that period. So that one completed after you have to multiply that face value and the place value. Then you have to write the next step. 2 steps I said. Okay. Next one. Third one. Write the short form. If they are given in the expanded form, how to write the short form I said already. So here also you have to write the place value. See here what is the place value of 4 ones you know. So write here ones and ones, tens, hundreds, thousands place value. While you are writing the number also you have to write the place values on the top, then you have to write the number down. Have you understood? So must and should you have to write the place values here, and also while you are writing the number also you have to write the place values. Okay, the next one. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digit. Here I underline 2 numbers. See here 76948. I underline which number? 6. So write the place values here ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So what is the place value here? Place value. Place value means face value into position. Face value means the number itself is the face value. Face value of 6 is 6 only. 6 into what is the position? Thousands. So 6 into 1000, 6,000. Like that in the same way this one also have to do. Write the place values here and write the place value and face value for each number. So write here like this. So face value of 6 equals to place value of 6 equals to, both you have to write here. For this also face value of 4 equals to place value of 4 equals to you have to write. So complete this task today, and the evening in the Zoom meeting I will ask who did not do the homework. I will ask you. Okay, must and should if you do. See children, if you do the homework properly, then only you will understand what is the lesson today. What we learned today, we can gain the knowledge. Otherwise, we can't. If you did not do the homework, we did not understand anything. If you do, how much you understand, you can know that one. Okay, have you understood, Nana? How many questions I have given? 4 questions. So 4 questions I will ask in the Zoom meeting evening. Okay, bye children.